friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge with Farah. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ansari Faiza and I hope you you are great in your life. So today's topic is diffusion. Diffusion is like a process or so without wasting of time, let's get started. What is diffusion? First of all, we can see the diffusion. What is diffusion? What is the definition of diffusion? So there is the movement of particles or molecules from a region of high concentration to the region of low concentration. ओके मतलब मूवमेंट होती है पार्टिकल्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स की जो कौन से रीजन से हाई कंसंट्रेशन मतलब हाई रेट से टू द रीजन ऑफ लो कंसंट्रेशन लो रेट तक तो एंड इज अनदर डेफिनेशन इज द टेंडेंसी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ लिक्विड सॉलिड और गैस to distribute themselves evenly throughout the available space. Third time, how to define it? It is the movement of molecules from a region of high partial pressure to the region of low partial pressure as a result of their inherent kinetic energy. This is the definition. So how to understand this is the process of diffusion. It is the diffusion. So literally speaking, that to diffuse means to disperse or to spread out or to flow out and to extend in all directions, okay, like is a in fourth all directions, okay. This is and the example for example if solid is placed what solid is placed in a solid क्या है sugar है and solvent is water. दिस इज क्या है ये सॉल्वेंट है और ये है सॉल्यूट. तो इन टू डिज़ोल्व कम्प्लीटली एंड इन अ सॉल्वेंट इज प्लेस द सॉल्यूट टू डिज़ोल्व कंप्लीट द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट लाइक शुगर टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एंड टू डिफ्यूज यूनिफॉर्मली. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रोसेस डिफ्यूजन. तो क्या है डेफिनेशन? द मूवमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम अ रीजन ऑफ हाई कंसंट्रेशन टू द रीजन ऑफ लो कंसंट्रेशन और अ टेंडेंसी ऑफ अ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ लिक्विड सॉलिड और गैस टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट देमसेल्व्स इवनली थ्रू आउट द अवेलेबल स्पेस एंड इट इज़ द मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम अ रीजन ऑफ हाई पार्शियल प्रेशर. जब ये डिज़ोल्व होते हैं तो कौन सा प्रेशर डिफ्यूज होता है डेवलप? डिफ्यूज़न प्रेशर डेफिसिट. तो ये इस पर से ही ये वाली डेफिनेशन. इट इज़ द मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम अ रीजन ऑफ हाई पार्शियल प्रेशर टू द रीजन ऑफ लो पार्शियल प्रेशर एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ देयर इनहेरेंट काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके. And also we define the diffusion of the movement of molecules from a high concentration to the region of their low concentration due to their inherent kinetic energy till they get distributed uniformly until the dynamic equilibrium is established. Okay. So let's another topic is the process of diffusion. Okay. So take a one beaker and take a few crystals of copper sulfate and dissolve and dip in the and take a water as a solvent and as a solute and to both the mix and to diffuse and then what is happen? Crystals of copper sulfate is diffused in the water and in a solvent. So it is the indicate that the process of diffusion is taking place. Okay. This is the process of diffusion. Okay. Then the another topic is the diffusion of solid in water. How can you explain this process? So this as you know the fusion process is the high concentration to the low concentration. High concentration to low. Okay. लो कंसंट्रेशन था होता है. तो ऐसे ही सॉलिड में भी होता है. मतलब वो हाई कंसंट्रेशन मतलब मोर मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ सॉलिड and to diffusion. After the diffusion is in the low concentration in low molecule. As you can see in the figure, there's a many molecules are in the high concentration, and in the low concentration is the only 3 molecules. Okay, so it is the diffusion of diffusion of solid in water. And the next topic is the factors affecting diffusion. Okay, factors affecting diffusion. What is the factor? What main factor are affecting to diffusion, to whole process of diffusion? So first is the temperature. So how can it understand what is the temperature and affect how and affect the diffusion process? So let's get started. तो the rate of diffusion increases with increase in the temperature. मतलब जब rate of diffusion बढ़ता है तो उसके साथ साथ क्या होता है, increase in temperature भी होता है. Okay, and it is the first factor. Second factor is what? Diffusion pressure gradient. What the diffusion pressure gradient? The process of diffusion. If the gradient increases, then the rate of diffusion is also increases. In other words, rate of diffusion is directly proportional to the diffusion pressure gradient. Okay, got it right? The third point, what is the third point? And what factors? Number of diffusing particles. And the diffusion depends upon the concentration of the number of diffusing particles. How? The greater the concentration of diffusing particle in a system, greater will be the diffusion pressure or diffusion itself. Okay. And the last factor, what is? The chemical nature of diffusing substance. The chemical nature of diffusing substance, whether the diffusing substance is acidic, basic, electrolyte or non-electrolyte. Okay, or non-electrolyte. So is the acid will play in the important role in all the process of diffusion. This is the 4 factors affecting on the diffusion, and the second topic and the last topic of this video and this chapter, diffusion. It is the importance of diffusion in plants. क्या है इम्पोर्टेंस डिफ्यूज़न का प्लांट्स में? तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज पैसिव सॉल्ट एब्सॉर्प्शन. In passive salt absorption, diffusion plays in a significant role where ion absorbed by the simple process of diffusion. Okay, and what is the second point? Translocation of food material. So in the translocation material, or the short distance diffusion plays important role. मतलब जब डिफ्यूज़न कहाँ भी इस्तेमाल होता है, जब वो ट्रांसलोकेशन ऑफ फूड मटेरियल होता है. ट्रांसलोकेशन ऑफ फूड मटेरियल किसके ज़रिए होता है? फ्लोएम के ज़रिए. और वाटर का ट्रांसलोकेशन किसके लिए होता है? जाइलम के ज़रिए. ओके, एंड द थर्ड पॉइंट इज डिफ्यूज़न ऑफ वाटर पेपर्स इनटू एटमॉस्फेयर. डिफ्यूज़न डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कंसंट्रेशन ऑन द and diffusion of water vapor into a outer atmosphere occurs through open stomata through stomatal transpiration. Diffusion of water vapor हम जानते हैं transpiration, it is the process of water vapor is converted into the water is converted into the water vapor through the stomata. तो ये भी ऐसे ही होता है. diffusion of water vapor into outer atmosphere occurs through open stomata by stomatal transpiration. And the last point is the exchange of gases by photosynthesis. Exchange of gases during the process of photosynthesis and respiration occur through same stomata simultaneously through the process of independent diffusion. Okay, got it? I hope you like the videos and understand all the concepts of diffusion. So hit the like the button and subscribe to my channel, and So, and follow me on in the Instagram, link in the description, and join my Telegram channel, also link in the description box. And share with your friends, family, and subscribe to my channel Knowledge with Faiza, and also hit the like button and press the bell icon, because my new video is I uploaded a new video, and